4, 3, 2, 1. In a suit for declaration and perpetual injunction fled by the plaintiffs, respondent numbers 6 to 10, on apprehension of their disposition from the suit shops, the learned trial court, after framing a preliminary issue relating to maintainability of the suit, held in favor of the plaintiffs, void its order below EXH 1 dated 17/12/2016, which is under challenge in the present petition. It is the case of the plaintiffs that land survey number 941 at measuring 410.7 was recorded in the name of government in the revenue record, on which the 5 shops which are in possession of the respective plaintiffs have been constructed long back and are the subject matter of the suit. It is the further case of the plaintiffs that the WP 390/2017 plaintiffs are regularly paying taxes to the Gram Panchayat, and they have been doing business in those shops since last many years. The plaintiffs further pleaded that the defendant number 6 petitioner approached to the respondent number 3 claiming the ownership over the land survey number 941, which was recorded in the name of government. The respondent number 3 void its order dated 14/12/2011 inter alia, held that out of 410.7 square meter land, 162.25 square meter of land is owned by the father of defendant number 6 petitioner. The plaintiffs alleged that without issuing notice to the plaintiffs and other concerned parties, in collusion with the respondent number 4, the petitioner obtained the order in its favor. It is also alleged that, taking advantage of the said order, the petitioner is trying to remove the plaintiffs' respondent numbers 6 to 10, and therefore the suit for declaration and perpetual injunction was fled. The defendant number 6 petitioner void EXH.32 fled its written statement denying the case of the plaintiffs, and thereby also preferred counterclaim for damages and permanent injunction. In the counter claim, the defendant WP 390/2017.ODT number 6 admits that out of 400.10 square meter land, 162.25 square meters of land is recorded in the name of his father in view of the orders passed by the respondent numbers 3 and 4. He further admits in paragraph number 3 that the alleged encroachment of the plaintiffs is one of the land owned by the government. The defendant number 6 petitioner thereafter moved an application for framing of preliminary issue relating to maintainability of suit in view of the fact that the plaintiffs have sought declaration that the order dated 14/12/2011 passed by the respondent number 3 and order dated 20/4/2013 passed by the respondent number 4 are ultra-virus. As such, there is a bar under the provision of section 36C of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code to entertain any suit wherein the order of the revenue officers made under section 36, 36A and 36B is under challenge. The learned trial court, considering the said application, framed the preliminary issue while its order dated 15/12/2016 as regards the maintainability of the suit. The learned trial court thereafter, on 17/12/2016, WP 390/2017.ODT, passed the order below EXH 1 holding that the suit is maintainable. The said order is impugned in the present petition.